What's up, guys? Today we're gonna get a little bit more detailed about the process and my experience owning a vending machine. So I've had a vending machine for about 3 years. This location is a barber shop, a beauty shop, and a tattoo studio. There's mainly older people that come here, but she does have younger clients, and the people who rent booths here have younger clients. What you see right now is the expired snacks being removed and the new snacks that I purchased being put into the machine. This is basically like a total refresh of the machine, which is really rare, so I definitely wanted to get this on camera because not often do I have to throw everything out. This is like one of those, checks where you come and you get the money and do all of the maintenance on the machine, reset the prices and things like that. Normally, from month to month, I make between $50 to $100 extra profit off of this machine, and I arranged a contract with the owner of this space to give a 10% commission of my sales. So whenever I do cash out, I always pay my vendor, change my prices like you see me doing here. I give away some snacks while I'm in there. I store my extra snacks at the bottom of the machine. I reset the prices, turn the machine on and off, make sure my change mechanism and the bill acceptor is working properly. And yeah, I didn't really know what y'all wanted to know because I didn't get much feedback about my last video, but I'm hoping that as I post more about owning a vending machine, y'all will ask more questions and I can answer things for you that will maybe help people get vending machines. Another thing, I always leave free snacks in the bottom part down there, so whenever somebody comes to buy a snack after a fresh reset, you bought one and you got however many I feel like throwing down there for free. When I buy stuff that don't fit in the shelving, I just put it down there for free. And now we on to the money. I basically, as I count, do stacks of 10 and then take out her money, give it to her before I leave, and whatever I have, I put it in the bank and that's that. So if you have watched this video this far, thank you for watching, number 1. And number 2, subscribe to my channel if you like content like this. And number 3, if you want to own a vending machine and you have questions, don't know where to start, you need a specific issue addressed, or want to know if I know something about something, leave a comment below because I am happy to answer. I love helping people out when it comes to business, but yeah, I don't know specifically what y'all need to know. I hope this was informative and I hope you learned something from this today, and thank you for watching. I'll see y'all in the next video, and this was the final product.